Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something we all deal with, but often don't want to admit, failure. You know, when we're chasing dreams, trying to grow and evolve, failing isn't just possible, it's natural. Sure, it hurts, it can be disheartening, sometimes, it even feels like the world is falling apart. But what if I told you, there's a powerful gift hidden inside every failure? Think about it, failure teaches us lessons that success never could. It sparks fresh ideas, lights new paths, and gives us hope that maybe, just maybe, the next attempt will be the one. Here's a reality check, failure is way more common than success. And the people who win in life? They're not the ones who never fail. They're the ones who learn, adapt, and move forward without dragging their past mistakes along. Take Thomas Edison, for example. When he was inventing the light bulb, he didn't succeed overnight. Nope. He failed over 3,999 times. A reporter once asked him, Mr. Edison, don't you regret failing so much? And Edison smiled and said, I didn't fail 3,999 times. I just found 3,999 ways that don't work. And it's not just Edison. Even legends like Albert Einstein faced rejection. His school teacher literally wrote that he'd never amount to anything. Yeah, that Albert Einstein who went on to change the world with the theory of relativity. Or think about Mirabai, a queen who faced unimaginable hardships but chose the path of devotion over despair. She turned her suffering into spiritual richness and left a legacy that still inspires millions. So here's the takeaway, problems aren't here to break you. They're here to make you. Challenges force us to dig deep, to use every bit of strength, courage, and wisdom we've got. They help us become the best versions of ourselves. And when you are facing a storm, remember the words of the great sage Narad Muni, when you face worldly losses, don't be anxious. See the hand of the divine in everything. Because sometimes, losing something means gaining something far greater. So next time you stumble, don't beat yourself up. Instead, ask, what is this teaching me? Because the pain, it's temporary, but the strength you gain, that's forever. If this message resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more positive content. And hey, if you've ever turned a failure into a success story, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your journey. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing.